Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Yale Assure Lock using Yale Access app. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all the tools you'll need for installation. Make sure you have the Yale Assure Lock, the included hardware, and a Phillips screwdriver. Start by removing your old lock if you have one installed. Carefully unscrew the screws on the interior side of the old lock. Take the old lock out, ensuring you keep the door open while you work. Now, get your Yale Assure Lock and identify the components. Insert the latch into the door edge, making sure it fits snugly. Next, use your screwdriver to secure the latch with the provided screws. Once the latch is in place, we'll move on to installing the exterior assembly. Align the exterior lock assembly with the latch you just installed. Carefully push the assembly into the door until it fits flush. Now, take the interior assembly and align it with the screws on the exterior. Secure the interior assembly to the door using the screws provided. Next, install the batteries in the interior assembly. Slide the cover back on once the batteries are in place. Now, it's time to download the Yale Access app from your App Store. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect your lock with the app. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled for easy pairing. Once paired, customize your lock settings as needed. You can set up access codes for family and friends at this stage. After configuration, test the lock using the Yale Access app. Lock and unlock the door to ensure everything is working properly. If the lock operates smoothly, your installation is complete. Enjoy the convenience and security of your Yale Assure Lock. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.